Good morning, grade 7. Today we shall continue with chapter 3, binary arithmetic, and topic of today is on page number 28, activity zone. Find the subtraction of the following numbers. A part is 4 times 1, 0 minus 1 0 1 0. So we'll start with the 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So result will be 0 1 0 1 in that case. Next we are having the number that is 3 time or triple time 1 and after that 0 double 1 0 1. So start writing subtraction, start writing the result of subtraction with the rules of subtraction. 0 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 will be borrow. 1 minus 1 will be 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0 in 2 times. So result will be 3 times 0 1 and base will be 2 in that case. Next we are having 2 times 1 0 1 minus 0 triple time 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 will be borrow in that case. 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 0 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 will be borrow again. So 1 minus 1 will be 0 again. So we will write here 0. So result will be 0 1 1 0 and 2 will be base in that case. So let's move to the next page that we are having other parts, that is D and E part. So start solving the sum. 3 times 1 0 double time 1 1 double 0 double 1. So start solving the sums with the help of rules of binary subtraction. 1 minus 1 will be 0 2 times, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Whenever we will do 1 minus 1 will be 0 because whenever two values will be same, 1 minus 1 will be same, 0 minus 0 will be same, result will be 0 in that case. And next 1 minus 0 is equal to 0 because here we are not having any value, so it will be counted as an 0. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. So result will be in that case 1 0 1, 3 times 0 and 2 will be base of that sum. So next we are having the E part of this page. Start solving the sum. First of all we are having 2 times 1, 3 times 0, 3 times 1. 0 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 will be borrow in that case. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Next we are having again borrow of 1. 0 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 was borrow that time. 1 minus 1 will be 0 and for that we are again having the borrow of 1 because 0 minus 1 will give the borrow of 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0 and again in the last we are having only 1 that will be that will be written as in same way. So result will be 1 triple times 0 1 and base will be 2 in that case. With this activity zone of page number 28 is completed, and next time we will do the rules of binary multiplication and some examples with the help of activity zone also, that is given on page number 29. Till then you all do the practice of binary subtraction as well as binary arithmetic addition. So have a nice day.